Want to learn how to start a free trial or a subscription on a Medium app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on these three dotted straight lines on the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Below, Edit your profile. Tap on Become a Member on the top. You can see that you will get an unlimited reading free for 1 month, and you can read on any device, and it will provide you a facility of ad-free and even offline services. And they will also remind you 3 days before your trial ends. You can start your free trial for $4.99 per month for the first month free, or either you can start a free trial along with $49.99 per year, and here also first month is going to be free. I want to take $4.99 per month first month free, so I'm going to tap on start free trial. You'll get the same. So you can see that you need to add credit or debit card here. The next one is, even if you're going to tap on start free trial below $499.99 per month per year, you can tap on start free trial. You get the same option, that is add credit or debit card. Tap on add credit or debit card and mention your card number, particularly your card name, and all of the details related to your credit or debit card. Make sure to mention it and make the proper payment, or either you can just provide the details of your credit card and you'll get a free trial for first month. And just by doing it, you will become an official member of a Medium app, and you will automatically subscribe to it easily by earning the free trial. So this is how you do it. I have just guided you the correct place. You can go and enter all of the details just like this and become an official member of a Medium app and enjoy all of the services provided by it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.